closer to you. That's it.
Thank you, Honourable Chair, Honourable Members, everyone present. Mr. Matlala, once again, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm well and yourself.
Okay. Thank you to you and your legal team for your cooperation under trying circumstances. So we really thank you for that. You are currently detained here at CMAX, isn't it?
Of course.
But you as an awaiting trial inmate, prisoner.
Yes.
And you've been charged with attempted murder of your former girlfriend.
Yeah, that's correct.
You have applied for bail, that was refused, and is that bail application still on appeal currently?
No.
Or has it been refused?
Yes.
It's been refused.
Sir, excuse me. Yeah, you can proceed.
Yeah. You do have a previous conviction. Just tell us briefly about it and in which year?
It was 2001.
And what was the what were you convicted of?
It was possession of stolen property.
Were you sentenced to a term of imprisonment?
I was sentenced to 4 years imprisonment, but it was later converted to what is it called? Supervision. They call it correctional supervision.
It was converted to correctional supervision.
Yes.
And since then you haven't had any.
I only have one conviction.
Okay. And was that before you engaged in business?
No, I was, but it was informal.
Thank you. Now, you know why you are appearing before the committee. There were allegations made by General Nkonazi on the 6th of July this year. Subsequently, this committee was appointed by the National Assembly to make inquiries into those allegations, and some of the allegations, more specifically, you've been invited to give evidence on and assist the committee, is the alleged corrupt relationship between Minister Mkhunu and Brown Mkhotsi, and between yourself and Mr. Mkhotsi, and between yourself and Mr. Mkhotsi. Then also in relation to the procurement irregularities at SAPS regarding the 360 million SAPS healthcare contract, and specifically whether the award to your company was in contravention of the procurement laws. And we'll also discuss with you any possible concerns relating to your involvement with alleged criminal syndicates, and also the Tembisa hospital tender, in relation to which Ms. Babita Diokaran, who was murdered on account of her being a whistleblower. So we'll touch on those issues in due course. Just give us a brief glimpse of where you grew up, your schooling, and then when you first started in business. They are referenced at paragraph 7 of the draft statement.
Yeah, I grew up in Mamelodi East.
If you don't mind, Mr. Matlala, maybe it's me, but just speak up a bit.
I grew up in Mamelodi East, which is in Pretoria. And I was raised by mama, my single mother. And I went to school also in Mamelodi, which the name of the school is Letlhabile High School. So after my matric, that's when I started to do informal business, buying and selling goods, to a point where in 2001 I ended up being convicted for buying stuff which was illegal, and I've been sentenced to 4 years in prison. And right up until 2017, that's when I formally registered my business. My first business, it was a security business, and then that was my first formal business, and then through which then I provide security services. So from then I ended up securing clients from construction sites, schools, even also I've explored into healthcare. And I'm married. I've got 9 children with my wife. I support all of my children. And that's it.
Just on a lighter note, your nickname Cat, is that because you got 9 children or 9 lives?
9 children.
Both? Okay. You have several companies trading under your name, and they are listed at paragraph 8.1 to 8.6. But can I just take you to annexure VM1?
I'm sorry, the statement, as you know, is not yet completed, so I don't have the annexures with me. So I have to just go through them, but I didn't have time to attach them here.
Is it not in the...
I just got them this morning.
It's in the file there, Mr.
Yes, I'm saying, okay, let me just go try and see. It says VM1.
VM1, it's the very first. But it is actually referred to as FA1. Here's VM1. Yeah.
Non-valo.
No, Chair, I didn't hear the witness properly because sometimes it doesn't speak through the mic. What was he saying? Was he saying he didn't read the statement, or just want to get clarity?
Okay, I was saying the annexures are not attached to the statement, so I just got these things in this morning, so I have to go through and check which annexure it is.
Or you received the statement this morning?
Yes.
So the statement was written by lawyers on your behalf?
Say that again?
Who wrote the statement?
My lawyer drafted the statement. We had a consultation and he was busy typing. Then I had to go through it, and so I can check everything is in order. But I just got that thing this morning.
So you only saw it this morning?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
SC.
Thank you. Mr. Matlala, can you just go to the first page of that document? It's a document that's drawn from Lexis Windeed, which is
From?
it's this document that has a list of your companies. Have you got it?
This thing is not labeled, so can you maybe refer what page will it be on?
It's marked page number 1 at the top, number 1 of the annexures. Mr. Forbay, can you please help your client?
Yeah, I can see it.
You see it?
Yes.
Thank you. So from there you'll see there's a list of directorships. On the left-hand side, you see?
Yes, I see.
And some are indicated on the right-hand side, your status, Black AK Trading and Supplies, you active. Cat VIP Holdings, active. Core Kabeng Trading and Suppliers, active. Amila Bottle Trading, you've resigned. Falcon Cat Trading, you've resigned. Lavindos Hair, active. Luxo Africa Brand Investments, active. Medicare 24 Swani District, resigned. Right to Own, resigned. And then YVM Yasira Entertainment, active. You see that?
Yes, I see that.
So is that still, as we speak, your status in those companies?
It actually is not. The first one, yes, is active. And the second one as well. The third one is not active anymore, so I don't know why it shows active here.
So the third one, Core Training,
Yes, it's not active.
Kabeng Training, you've
No,
also
yes.
no longer, you resigned.
Yes. And Emela Butle and Falcon, yes, I've resigned. Lavindos also is not active. Lux of Africa is active. Medicare, yes, I've resigned. The Right to Own, I've resigned as well. And the last one also is not active.
So apart from the third one, Core Kabeng Trading, where you've also resigned, is that a accurate?
Deregistered, actually.
Sorry, Mr. Matlala?
I'm saying, you meaning the third company?
Yeah, your directorships as indicated here.
Yes, the company is being deregistered, so I don't know why is it still showing active.
From those companies where it's indicated that you resigned, did you just resign as a director? And are you still involved in any of those companies, maybe through shareholding?
I only resigned from Medicare as a director, but I still own shares, 100% shares of Medicare. But the rest, I resigned completely. I don't have any control over them.
Now, we're going to deal with the Medicare 24 Swani District issue, because that's the entity that applied for, or that bid or tendered for the Medicare contract, the SAPS contract, and you were initially awarded that contract. Is that right?
Yes.
And at the time that you were awarded,
SC, let me take Honorable Ngola.
Thanks, Chair. Chair, I don't want us to leave this chamber with a wrong or incorrect impression, particularly on the statement thingy. Am I understanding the witness correctly that he says his lawyers were helping him to outline the series of events and putting it in a statement form, not that the lawyers were the ones who were architects of the statement itself? They were helping you explain what happened, what you know, and all that.
No, that's not correct. What I was saying is I was explaining to them and he was busy typing.
Yes, that's what I'm asking.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Chair. I'm covered.
thank you. Sorry, Mr. Matlala, I asked you about your directorship, or rather I contextualized the question about the Medicare contract or tender that was awarded to Medicare Swani 24 Swani district. And at that time when you bid for that tender, you were then listed as a director of Medicare 24 Swani district. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
But then, so at which point did you resign as a director?
I resigned in 2024 December.
Sorry?
2024 December.
December 2021.
Yes.
And at what stage was that tender when you resigned? Was it still pending or had it been awarded?
I've been awarded by then. By then, I've been awarded.
Had been awarded. And did you notify SAPS?
No, I didn't.
You didn't. Is there any reason why you didn't? Was that an oversight?
I'll say so.
But you're aware that you should have, you ought to have notified SAPS that you had resigned as a director.
Yes, I just learned that later.
Excuse me?
I just learned that later.
Yeah. Okay, we'll also deal with that later. Thank you. These companies, are they the companies that you also list as your interests? If you go to the last line of paragraph 7, where you have interest in construction sites, schools and primary healthcare services. Which of these companies are, or is it that you provide your CAT VIP protection services to construction sites, schools and primary healthcare services?
Yes,
is that
that's
the
correct.
connection?
Yes, that's correct.
The schools, are those contracts with the education department, Gauteng education department?
No, no.
On what basis do you contract with those schools?
I will say, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's the school governing body, because there is someone who manages the guiding division of the security business. So, but I think it's the school governing bodies.
The school governing bodies?
Yes, sir.
How many schools are we talking about?
I think 3 or 4.
3 or 4.
I'm not sure.
Can you recall them offhand?
I was not paying attention to that. I don't know. I just know that there is a contract with schools, but the name of the schools I don't know.
Okay. And what's the nature of the security service that you provide at these schools?
It's guarding.
Guarding?
Yeah, I think they have got computers in those schools, so they need guards there at night.
Okay. And the construction sites?
Is guarding also for the construction equipment.
And are they all private companies or any?
Yes, it's a private company.
All private companies?
Yes.
And the primary healthcare services, are they the Tshwane 24 district facilities, or is it the Tshwane 24 holding company?
No, it's for Tshwane.
Sorry?
You meaning for? Can you please elaborate that?
Yeah, you mentioned here primary healthcare services.
Yes.
Are those for the Tshwane holding company or for
yes.
for the holding company?
Yes.
And are those at state or government institutions or entities?
No, that's private.
Or private hospitals?
Yeah, it's clinics, not hospitals.
Clinics. You otherwise also provide personal protection services, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
To how many individuals, how many persons?
It was only one person.
Only one?
Yes.
Now you mentioned to us that you provided personal protection services to a Mr. Msibi.
Yes.
Just explain the nature of your relationship with Mr. Msibi, and who was he, and what did he do? I believe he's now passed.
Yeah, that's right.
So just tell us about some background on what your relationship was with him, what was the nature of the services provided to him, and for how long you provided the service.
Okay, it was he was a businessman. He was also the founder of Santago, which is a taxi association, and then he had other businesses. And the nature of my relationship with him, he was my client, providing security services for him.
So he was your client, and for how long did you provide him with security?
I'll say from 2000, what is this year? 2001, or I'll say maybe before COVID, 2000 until right when he passed on.
And when did he pass?
2024 January, I think. 2023, 2024 January. 23, 24, I'm not sure.
So did you say 2001 or 2021?
2021.
2021.
2021 or 2020, somewhere there, yes.
I know you mentioned 3 years, so it must be sort of 2021, 2024,
Yeah,
or until he passed.
yes.
Now, Mr. Msibi, very well known, a founder member of Santaco, and he also had other business interests.
Yeah, but I don't know his. Yeah, I just know that he was a shareholder in SA Taxi. Then he also had a business called Taxi Choice.
Sorry?
I'm saying what I know that he was a shareholder in SA Taxi,
Yeah.
and also I know his other company. It is a company called Taxi Choice.
We also know that when he passed, he had a big funeral.
A big funeral,
A big funeral.
if you say so.
Okay. Did your personal protection services end, I suppose, when he had his funeral? But you would have been there because you knew him.
Yes.
And you had a personal relationship with him.
Yes, sir. Yes, I do.
You were very close to him.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we, apart from looking it up on Google, we also know from former Minister Cele that there was this funeral and he was at the funeral.
Okay.
Yes, no?
You saying I was at the funeral?
Yes.
Yes, I was.
Yeah, and what I put to you is not what I'm sucking out of my thumb. I mean, Mr. Cele had also said that he was at the funeral, and it was a big funeral.
Yes, I'm not disputing that. He was there as well. I can confirm that.
Yeah. So there were a few more other prominent people at that funeral.
Yeah.
Mr. Molefe, Mr. Molefe was also at that funeral.
Yes.
Mr. Molefe is the person who was also raided on the 6th of December last year by PKTT. You know about that?
Yes, I know about it.
Do you have a relationship with Mr. Molefe?
No, I don't.
Did Mr. Molefe have a relationship with Mr. Msibi?
Yes, they did.
A business relationship?
No, I think they were close friends.
They were good friends.
Yes. I don't know if they had any business dealings together, but what I know that they were very close.
Yeah. But you're not able to comment on the nature of their, other than a personal friendship. You don't know, you can't comment on any other, give us any other particulars or details about their business relationship.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know about that.
And Mr. Molefe, did you develop a relationship with him, a personal relationship?
No.
you didn't provide him with VIP protection?
No, I never.
Okay. Okay. Now, it was reported in News 24, and you would be aware of this article, that you had secured some premises.
Sure, I would be honest.